In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an overparent in Microsoft Word using the equation editor. This is a handy trick if you often work with equations that require a bar above them to signify grouping, especially in mathematical or scientific documents. To begin, open up your Microsoft Word file where you want to insert the equation. It doesn't matter whether you're starting from scratch or adding to an existing document, the process remains the same. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll see various tabs that allow you to perform different tasks. What you want to do is find and click on the Insert tab. This tab is essential for adding new elements to your document, whether they be pictures, tables, or, as in our case today, equations. Once you're in the Insert tab, look towards the right-hand side of the ribbon for the equation option. Go ahead and click on it. The moment you do this, an equation box will appear in your document, ready to house whatever mathematical notation you intend to use. This built-in feature is incredibly helpful for creating professional-looking equations without needing any external software. Now, with your equation box ready to go, we're going to focus on typing a specific command, /overparent. Simply type this command into the equation box. What this command does is tell Word that you want to create an overparent, a kind of notation that places a horizontal bar over a series of terms to denote they are grouped together or to emphasize particular relationships within the equation. After you've typed /overparent, you'll need a crucial step to see the magic happen. Press the space bar twice. Doing this will instantly convert the type command into the actual overparent symbol that overlays the terms you include next. This is a nice little trick that makes use of the equation editor's ability to recognize specific commands once they're given the go-ahead by an extra press of the spacebar. It's an intelligent feature, simplifying the creation of more complex mathematical and notational forms. That's it. You're done. You've successfully created an overparent in your Microsoft Word document. Whether you're using it for algebraic expressions or scientific notations, knowing how to efficiently use Word's equation editor can make your document preparation much faster and your final product more polished. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and easy to follow. If you're like many who frequently work with complex equations, adding this trick to your repertoire can save you a ton of time. Feel free to experiment with other equation commands in Microsoft Word to expand your toolkit even further. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.